If I had to look back at my time using a custom ATS and developing that and using my own tech stack, one of the big things that stood out to me as the largest miss that I didn't think of is the tools that I could actually use and how they were going to integrate with my system. So I'll give you an example. We started this entire journey with a resume parser that we had that we could email resumes into or just forward an email if we got a resume and it would auto populate into our database and we'd have all that data ready to go. It worked great. And then there was a new one that came along that I was like, "Ooh, that one's way cooler. I want to use that one." But we were stuck. Like, did I really want to pay another 3 to 6 months of developers to integrate that one into our system so that we could use that resume parser instead? And then we had an issue with a time tracking tool that just went out of business that was integrated into our suite. And I went, oh, crap. Now what do I need to do? I need to call my developers. I need to get them to integrate a different time tracking tool. And that was tied to our payroll. And now, oh, crap, we're going to have to get a different payroll tool so that we can integrate with this thing. It just became a gigantic mess. We had no true ecosystem that integrated into our system. And we were stuck whenever something changed or wanted to use a different tool. We just had to look at all those things and be like, oh, that's really nice. I wish we could use that. If we were on a better system, we'd have the ability to use all the cool tools that are out there and just integrate them at will. So that was a big misstep that I think we didn't really think about ahead